How's it going? We're here for day 83 of Fergal's Tune a Day in New York. We just finished the last gig of the tour. Woo! And we found Siobhan Igoe, all the way from Castlerea, County Roscommon, abroad here in New York, the Big Apple. So we're going to play
To Athlone?
the trip to Athlone. Lovely. 1, 2, 3. Heather Simmons, everybody!
I think it's going on.
See you tomorrow for day 84.